Hey boys and girls, it's Mrs. Hernandez again. I am going to help us get through another part of the sight word slides that I have. These ones are the next two levels up, and I'm going to go through the same process as before. And when I start the slideshow, you're going to have a chance to just kind of take a look at the words, say them as quickly as you can. Remember, it doesn't give you a lot of time, so just try your best. After it's gone through all the slides that we're going to go through on this particular lesson, then I'm going to go back and I'm going to say all of the words as they came up. Okay? Okay, boys and girls, we're going to go ahead and stop right there, and then I'm going to go back and read the slides with you, and then you can practice. Okay, ready? Let's go. Lunch. Celebrate. Believe. Confused. Motion. Rough. Engines. Tongue. Crowded. Wool. Removed. Curious. Silver. Electric. Worried. Enemies. Glowed. Clothing. Interested. Entrance. Sunlight. Desert. Crops. Engine. Favorite. Adaptation. Weather. Pond. Illustrated. Ocean. Pilot. Fame. Precious. Settlers. Guarded. Passenger. Memorize. Environment. Adventurer. Invented. Okay. All right. How'd you do? Okay, go back and try it again. See if you can beat your time.